if you're looking to download tables from websites into Excel, instead of going in here and trying to copy and paste them, which doesn't always result in the best of looking websites, it's like, you know, it looks okay, but it's not ideal. There's a much better way of doing it, and that is on Excel, go to the data page, and then click on from the web under the get data section. And then in there, go ahead and input the URL of the web page that you're looking for. Hit OK on that. And then it's going to pop up with a window to kind of preview what you want. And it's actually going to look at all of the tables on that page and ask you which one you want. So here we got the table that we're actually looking to get information from. But you can see it actually pulls out other tables as well from the page. So like that is probably, there's a table for that. And there's probably another table in there as well that it's looking at. So here's that little table, I suppose. And you can click on web view so you can see where that information is coming from. So I guess that's coming from the bottom. And then this is probably just glitchy, but this one's the one that you want. You can see that it's highlighted. So go ahead and hit load on that. And voila, look how much better that looks already. But here's the best part. If the information changes, so instead of being Woody, it was like Tim. But let's say that the website got updated. They fixed that. If you want to pull the information again, you don't have to do what I just did. You just go back to data and then hit on refresh, and look how that's going to get updated to whatever the latest information is. So you can quickly update the information from the site as long as everything is the same in terms of format. My only warning with this is when you import, take a quick look at the data, make sure everything looks okay and it's not missing anything. That way you don't run into problems in the future. Thanks for watching.